Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and we're on our latest project. I'd call it the micro farm, and here in Los Angeles, actually Redondo Beach to be exact. And I wanted to show you, it started out with the homeowner liking this big, beautiful avocado tree. He got so inspired, he said, you know what, I really want to do a orchard in my backyard. Now this is a tiny backyard in Redondo Beach, but we're doing foodscaping, or like I call it, micro farming. But check this out, we put in several fruit trees. These are brand new, they just got installed. There's a couple apple trees, a peach tree, a persimmon tree. We'll probably end up putting a plum tree too, although those are having a bit of a problem lately in the last few years. These planter boxes, we haven't done the irrigation yet, but we built them. They're a bit wide, and then we put the long ridges on we put a seating on top. It's a 2x6. Reason why we did that is so that the person could come here if they get tired and they could garden. So instead of doing back breaking, plus they're a raised planter, because if it was on the ground, you're just getting your back tired. So this will prevent the back from getting tired, and also you'll be able to sit down and enjoy your gardening. We have a couple of big boxes here. We're gonna do some vines. Over here we have a couple 2x4s we're going to stick so they can grow vines, whether it's peas or tomatoes, whatever, they'll be able to do that. Now, we're also going to, we installed already, they had these existing planter boxes here. You see some vegetables, arugula and so on, leftover radishes. We did install 3 Rainbird drip irrigation timers. Now the interesting thing is you can actually add micro sprays to drip irrigation too. We just plugged into the drip, so it's going to be fine. We do have a new product from Rainbird that we're going to put. It's a surprise. We'll do a future YouTube video on it, but it's we'll suffice it to say it's like you're on your car. You know how you can see you have a gas gauge and so on, a dashboard, if you will. Well, that's what this product is from Rainbird. So I'm not going to say too much more, but it's going to be, we're very, very excited. We're going to be installing it on our next project here. Anything with foodscaping, we really like using Rainbird products because they have the Copper Shield drip, which prevents root intrusion without having to add chemicals to it. So I would say it's the most sustainable drip irrigation on the market. Anyway, I just wanted to give you this update on everything we have going on. Not everything has to be food for humans, because we want to attract the pollinators. That's what helps to bring food to fruit trees. And so on the back fence over there, if you notice, there's actually the Caliandra or pink powder puff espaliers. We just got those in. And so those are going to bring the hummingbirds. The hummingbirds these plants are just magnets for hummingbirds because of the red flowers. That's about it. We'll keep you updated, and this is Mike from Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.